Okay, Jazzy, to change the subject of the formula, if you have, let's do one of these first ones, something like that, x plus b equals c, you want to leave this x on its own, basically. So what you're trying to do is leave this on its own. So you want to get rid of this plus b. So the opposite, or if you move that to the other side, it does the opposite. So the opposite of adding b is taking b, and that's your answer to that first one. Okay, for one like this then, again you want to leave this x value on its own. So here you've got x, you've added 3, and then you're dividing by 2. So if we go backwards, we'll get rid of the divide by 2 first. So that's a divide by 2. If you move to the other side, it does the opposite of dividing by 2, which is timesing by 2. 2 times a is 2a. And then we want to leave x on its own, so we want to get rid of this plus 3. If we move that to the other side, the plus becomes a minus. Okay, these ones are a bit harder, and this is where we've got an x and another x in the question. So it does say in your work, what you need to do is factorize. So we need to take the x out of both of those. If we take the x out, we're left with that, just the a minus the b. We take this x out of both of them, and that's equal to d. And then remember, this means x multiplied by this bracket equals d. So if we want to leave x on its own, if it's multiplied by that bracket, if we move that to the other side, the opposite of multiplying by the bracket is to divide by the bracket. So we'd be left with a minus b